Hi everyone, my name is Justin Odisho, and in this video I'm happy to share with you guys my new free stock footage pack. This is a collection of different clips that I've collected over the past couple years, just random people, buildings, time lapses, for you to use in your own projects or to go along with my many tutorials for you to practice editing with and learn and play around with. So they're totally free, you can do anything you want, you can create your own projects with them, except for re-uploading and redistributing them as your own, and just try to give credit back to me when you share where possible. So I'll leave a link in the description to where you can download this pack on my website, along with other resources available there. And I'd love to see what you guys create with it, or some things that you guys edit and practice with it. Feel free to tag me or share it with me on Instagram, Twitter, social media, at Justin Odisho. You can find me on there as well. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel here on YouTube. Turn on notifications so you don't miss any videos. Leave a like on this video and comment below if you appreciate this pack. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you guys in the next video.